Hello everyone. So again, I am going to continue my connector videos. So I just completed a video related to Workbench. Okay. Now I want to explain how to connect with a Google Sheet. So simply we need to click on connector, then connect data, then connector, and search for the Google Sheet. Okay. Google Sheet. Where is the sheet? Okay. Google. Okay. We can see Google Sheet here. Google Sheet connector. Okay, we can see we have a Google Sheet connector. Okay, now let's click on Google Sheet connector. So I have already account added. This is my email ID, so I am using this one. Okay, so for other person or for you guys, we just need to click and add account, and then you need to sign in using your email account. Okay, so I already added my email. So whatever a seat is available on my email, I can use that seat. I can bring that seat data into my Domo. Okay, so let me select my email ID, then go to the next. So now spreadsheet URL. Okay, so let me show you what does it mean. Let me go to my sheet. This is my Google Sheet. Okay, okay, so this is my sample retail data. Okay, that is available in my Google Sheets. So when I click there, this one, I have this URL. Okay, so I need to get this URL. Okay, now need to paste this URL here. Okay, so in this URL, it is not opening. When it's open, then we can see we have a seat. So here I have a seat one, so we may have a multiple seats also. Okay, in one URL. So if I click on plus, I will have one more seat. You can see seat 2 blank. Okay, now after loading this, something is wrong, no problem. Okay, after loading this, we will have an option to select the seat name. Okay, let me get this. Let me retry again. Okay, let's retry. I will get the available seat name. Okay, something is wrong. Maybe its size is too big. Might be okay. 1 minute. Let me go with some small one. Now I want to go with this one. This is very small one. Okay, so this is the URL for this seat. Okay, let me paste here. it, it takes a bit time to load the seat because everything is happening based on internet. So Domo is trying to connect with Google Sheet, then authorization is happening for the Gmail account. After the authorization, what will happen? The spread will load. Then after that, so we can get a worksheet name. Okay. It's taking little bit more time. Hold on. This is taking time. Yeah, so we can see my seat is loaded, and in my Google Sheet I have a two seat. Okay, so seat one and current week. So here we can see I have a two seat. So based on the requirement, we can select. Okay, let me go with the seat one. Okay, now simply we can go to the next. Okay, force to string. Okay, so what does it mean? Let's see. Please enter a comma separated list of field that need to be treated as a string in Domo. So here just assume I have a 3 4 column. Okay, so in that case I have multiple columns. So if we want to force some columns should come as a string, then we need to specify that column name here. Okay, so this is the only meaning of that. Now manually enter sale range. So sale range means like here we are taking all the data, but manual if we click here and give the sale range, then we will have an option to specify which sale range is my header and which from where to where sale range is my data. Okay, it's a very simple and a straightforward process. Okay, now I want to go as it is, but simply if you come to my data, seat 1, so seat A1 to A9 is my header. Okay, so simply here I can specify. Okay, A1 to A1 to A9 I can specify. If I don't specify also, the automatically the first row is considering as a header. Okay, now the data range. So my data range is being start from 2 A2 to and something 15. So either I can take from A2 to N15, or I can skip some of the rows. Like I can start from A3, I can start from A4 like that. Okay. But here we don't need to make any filter. That's why I am removing this. I want to take data as it is. Let's click on next. So here we have a scheduling option. So advanced scheduling, and this is my basic scheduling. So in the basic scheduling we just need to apply interval, okay, like every 15 minute, 30 minute, hour, day, weekday, like that. And when it should start, that we need to specify. Okay, let me take this. Okay, so when I take 15 minute, then we don't need to specify the start time. Okay, we just need to specify active hour. If that is also optional, like if we want to run this on every 15 minutes from this time to this time, then we can check on active hour. But if we don't want, if we want it should run 24 hour on every 15 minutes, then we can go with this also. Okay, so this is our basic scheduling. Then in again advance, we have a many things, like first I schedule on Saturday. So here we have an option to choose a specific days of week, like first day of week, second day of week, third day of week, fourth day of week, or last day of week. Or we have an option to choose from Sunday to Saturday, like in which day we want to execute. Next we have an option a specific day of month. Then here we can select a specific day of a month, like in which day we want to schedule on every month. Like I schedule one, so what will happen on every month first date, this sheet will refresh. Okay, so next is a specific month. So here we can specify a specific month, like I just want it to execute on Jan, May, September, like that. So we have a different kind of scheduling options. Okay, so this is for on scene a day, same for more than on scene a day. Okay, so on every 15 minute, from this active hour to this active hour. Okay, and then like which in a month, which day we want to execute this, then on which month we want to execute this. So this is a scheduling, and we have a lot of options to make it like customized to okay. So this is all about scheduling part. And then we have to click on next, and then need to provide a data set name, anything we can provide stock. Okay, and then save and run. So it is preparing, and we can say we have 11 rows. Okay, so now let me go to schedule. And in the scheduling, I don't want it to schedule, I just want let me go to the basics and manually. Okay, manually means whenever we have to run, we will manually execute this. Okay, so I don't want it to schedule, because it will consume my Domo credit. Okay, so this is all about how to get Google Sheet data into Domo, and then how to schedule this in Domo. Okay, thank you.